So here's what we'll need. We'll need food coloring, 8 drops, dish detergent, and hydrogen peroxide, and we'll need warm water and yeast, okay? So it's very important. Wear gloves, keep your hands clean, wear your goggles so you won't splash yourself. And so we'll get our 8 drops of food coloring into the dish detergent. Okay. Swirl that around. Okay. Then we need 1.5 cups of hydrogen peroxide. This is actually used as a cleaner, antiseptic. It's very hard to find right now, so don't waste it. You know what? I'll just go with 1 cup and see what happens. So that's our first mixture. Swirl it a bit. Okay, this is the fun part. Now we're gonna, so 1 tablespoon of yeast, so that's like 5 teaspoons. I should measure properly. So what do you think is going to happen, guys? What do you think will happen, Mary? I don't know. This is elephant toothpaste. This might be a good toothbrush for a elephant. Okay, I'm expecting a big mess, so I'm just gonna, we'll see what happens. I'll keep this safe. Okay, so are we ready? What's gonna happen? What's happening? Oh, it's not as quick as I thought it would be. Okay. Whoa, it's getting bubbly. Oh, was I supposed to stir it better? Whoa, it's getting thick and foamy. Whoa. What do you think? Is it warm? Should I touch it? Oh, it's a little bit warm. So what happened here is the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide was pulled out from the experiment and it made foam, and it's an exothermic reaction. So yeah, there we go. Thank you.